Hi Deepak, welcome to the interview. Let's begin with your introduction and your experience with Power BI. Can you tell me about yourself in brief?
Sure, I am a Power BI developer with 3 years of experience, mainly in the insurance domain. I've built end to end BI solutions for claims analytics, fraud detection, and policy trends. My recent work includes a claims performance dashboard for a large health insurer. I handled everything from SEL data extraction to dashboard delivery and optimization.
Sounds good. Tell me about the data sources you worked with in that project and how you handled transformations.
We used SQL Server for core data, claims, policyholders, and approvals. Additional KPIs came from Excel reports submitted by regional teams. I used Power Query to merge claims and approvals, removed duplicates, calculated approval durations, and created a new column to flag high risk claims based on business rules.
What kind of visuals did you include in your claims dashboard?
We used stacked bar charts to compare approvals and rejections across regions, a line chart for tracking approval trends monthly, a donut chart for claims by policy type, and detailed tables with conditional formatting to highlight overdue approvals. We also used decomposition trees to drill into rejection reasons and custom tooltips to show policyholder history.
Good. Regarding the dashboards you mentioned, you probably used both measures and calculated columns. Can you explain when you choose one over the other? Maybe with an example from your insurance project?
Sure. I usually use calculated columns when I need to create a new field in the table itself, something like a category or a flag. For example, in our claims data, I created a calculated column called risk level that labeled each claim as high, medium, or low risk based on the amount and how fast it was approved. This helped with filtering and grouping in visuals. On the other hand, I use measures when I want to do calculations that change based on user selections, like totals, averages, or percentages. In the same dashboard, I used a measure to calculate the average approval time by region. Since users could select different regions using slicers, the measure responded to that instantly. So, calculated columns are more static, and measures are dynamic and flexible.
How would you calculate rejection percentage? Can you write a DAX for it in the chat box?
Sure. This DAX dynamically updates with slicers and filters like region or policy type.
How do you make reports interactive for end users?
I add slicers for region, policy type, and processing team. I also sync slicers across pages for consistent filtering. Bookmarks and buttons help users navigate between views. Visual level filters are used for default views like pending claims only.
Have you worked with paginated reports?
Yes, I created a monthly claim summary report in Report Builder for the finance team. It included grouping by customer and export to PDF options. We published it to Power BI service and embedded it into their SharePoint portal.
In SQL, how would you find policies with no claims in the last year? Please write a query for the same.
Okay, this query should filters out policies with claim activity in the last 12 months.
Alright, once your report is ready, how do you publish and control access?
I publish to Power BI service, create an app workspace, and share it with stakeholders. For security, I use row level security, or RLS. This ensures each agent only sees their assigned claims.
Nice. When starting a new Power BI project, what's your approach?
First, I understand the business objectives and required KPIs. Then I check data sources, build a star schema, and create necessary calculated columns. Next, I write optimized DAX measures, design visuals, get early feedback, and finally configure publishing, RLS, and documentation.
Excellent. What's one advanced Power BI feature that helped you most?
Using composite models, mixing direct query, and import helped me deliver real time dashboards while maintaining performance.
That's a good use case. Do you have any questions for me?
No, sir, I am good. Thank you.
Alright, we will wrap this interview here. We will update you soon.
Sure. Thank you once again.